handle.
Man can say, you be Yanka. Dr. Philemon Mensah, our Filtering Medical Center. Now to 7 minutes in Common. Ras Mubarak, Ewo Ahumana so.
Captain.
Yes, sir. Oh, no, what time coming? What channel pay?
Meton kana me mawo emole ejuma na me cheti fu nyina so. And NBC, you know, the rank and file of a party, me chubia.
Na bibia e boko de.
Adom, I work a womb. I'm currently in Norway. Me shushe book a krebi on some lead beer benya. Na me jidi say if all goes according to plan. Yet the to drama mate.
To oh investigation or Norway.
Oh Norway, yes.
Efa Ghana ho.
Efa, you know, yesika sembi ho ne ayade, you know.
Oh, okay. When you are there?
That's why I'm here.
Oh, okay.
Some some pa. You know, and particularly as a sitting member of parliament, you know, we have a responsibility. It's a duty, you know, to follow up on some of these things and make sure we're protecting, you know, the public purse.
Okay.
Until I started.
One kwana akoy and I say be audio binum kan ho na akoy for this investigation. All right. Okay. Honorable, my main question: we get fund, is it meant for MPs?
Smart, me di hu ya bebre. And you know, when I read the Auditor General's report, I was extremely angry. Extremely angry because ohe ona omutua to edwadifuo omoka a taxi omuchi trotro omo stores ewo kwan ho ne ade. Some of these store owners omuntua tax cry it may be true omu store for days. The harassment, you know, just for them to pay their taxes. Na sani pay na etwa omu taxes near say yeah fa say say enhwe sebe omo ma omo wona omu ni bi ma yem fan hwe omo na yeah decide to ma omo bia clearly no you can't help but feel very angry, you know, that me bofu bebre at the abuse of the system, the bofu bebre at the attempt at, you know, dipping hands nipa bia o margin so mo de monsa benkum ni nifa anybody. And it's so unfair on the poor Ghanaian, on the poor farmers in my constituency. Smart. There are Ghanaian students yapamomo at the university level in Ghana, simply because they owe maybe a 1,000 and now 2,000. Yemomo cry entry end of semester exams. Open the phone lines and hear and listen to people's real stories. You would feel so sad. And this is what we do with the people's money. MPs have no business. Read my lips. MPs have no business accessing, your friend is saying, common fund, get fund. And I'm so happy, Sir Auditor General, I indict you, Mom. And I'm so happy, sir, we would name and shame them and take this to its final conclusions. Now, me the weak justifications are more justify this air chrono. Smart air chrono is theft. What do I say? People died in our country in the 70s for lesser crimes than these. And this is what the privilege will do to the ordinary Ghanaian, the fed up man in the street. 3 a.m., 4 a.m., just so they can be in the market early enough. It's not on or more and nobody. And this is what the privileged do with their money. And the Obi Bia or involved Biano. I mean, Auditor General didn't report about Parliament, Speaker very firm Public Accounts Committee. We would follow it to its logical conclusions. And I commend the Auditor General for the fearless work. Press releases are about and say, oh, they were not involved and no. They should read the law. And I encourage the public to ignore those hurriedly written press releases. Because Auditor General in that too, not only Auditor General and press releases now who release it. You go to court. Court answer. Those monies paid to them are illegal. Your son here, Emma MPC, Enya says so he's equally in trouble. And I don't care who was involved. Smart, I don't care who was involved. It is the people's money, and we're not treating the ordinary Ghanaian well. You know, understand now, Mayor MPs, it may ever access to get fund. And look at the amount of money involved. Is get fund for the payment of studies of members of parliament, politicians. I don't know who Nipa Mobo Kakra in this country called Ghana. I don't know who Nipa Mobo. Smart, are you there?
I'm listening to you, sir.
You know? I mean, look at how people are suffering in our country. This report spans 2012 to 2018. Obi bia nensa won bia no. Some of us, we would fight for the best interest of the country. And to them are a civil servant, and you colluded in defrauding the state in this manner. Because we won't let you get away with it. People get away with so much. And you know what our justice system does? We work with your body. Your friend saying, Akoko Ana Ojai. The person is getting 5 years in jail, 10 years in jail. What is more thieving than this? What is more heartbreaking? And you think we can encourage people to continue paying their taxes when this is what the elite and the privileged do with their money? It's so shameful. And those MPs who are trying to justify it, they should bow in shame. Because per the law, and I am in total agreement with the Auditor General. And access we will push for the monies to be refunded to the state. We will push, if need be, for them to pay back with interest. Smart, why? In my constituency, as we speak, there are students, university students, 2,000, 1,000. You have more exams. And the privileged do this with their money. Then what kind of unequal society are we building?
Okay.
Then what kind of society are we building? I'm so disappointed. I'm so saddened. I'm really, really sad. And Smart, look at some of the courses. Just what you say. People just didn't do due diligence. Say, Obi koye political science. Me a man scholarship. So on koye a first degree abuchi. Obi koye courses that you could equally find these courses in Legon, in Kenya, in Cape Coast. And we take we waste the people's money for them to go and do those same courses. Scholarship then come in, specialized. And this gives us an opportunity to reform the way scholarship is awarded in our country. In coming no smart. Obi koye course be our course no when na ewa Ghana. Because ye person medino to help improve our country. Me asona sene. Me abuano amanako. And yet supply chain management. I mean, and that is why we're not producing anything in our country. That is why we are not producing anything. All sort of ridiculous courses are, they could equally get those courses in Ghana. Thousands of dollars, thousands of pounds. Yes, simply because they know some big man at scholarship secretariat or some politician is giving them, support to go and access these money. And people have committed crimes, as far as I'm concerned. These are crimes against the state.
There are a few others who think, sir, Sasikaya core MPs way, they are equally also entitled to it. Sir.
They are not.
Okay.
Please. They are not. How is a member of parliament, your friends saying needy and how is a member of parliament gifted and
needy?
Your friends say needy. How is that? What other yes is the definition of a member of parliament, Anna? How is that? A member of parliament per the law, get fund law as captured. And those who are making those arguments, anyway, I know I'm not going to docket to move, so they can afford to sit on radio and say anything they want. Now, the people will rise up against all of us. All of us. No one will be left. If this is how we are managing the people's money, the people would rise up to demand their pound of flesh. There can be no justification. May say if they have a problem with it, they should go to court. And your radio soon say, if they have a problem with it, as the Auditor General has indicted them, they should go to court.
But Honorable, yes, sir, now I say, PC I say you are there for your own parochial interest.
No, some of them.
MPC more J double salary.
Yeah.
More J double salary. More ye abeje scholarship sika more entitled to. More or parliament to cry nebi mu ko nebi akwasai obidia mano. Obi o kra ye beto abama no no akra parliament now onte ho. Eniema say e pie free fie ho ban nyina no dead ma yehu say asa mo ndwen ye ho.
First of all, it's the caliber of people we put forward as candidates. And that is why I have said consistently said that political parties should take charge and determine who goes to parliament. Not a handful of people who would go and sit somewhere and take monies and send everybody to parliament. And send anybody to parliament. In any serious, you remember your friend saying the expensive scandal in the UK. Some sitting members of parliament went to jail in the UK in 2009, 2010. Some sitting members of parliament in safe seats lost their seats. Where in respect of Napo, MPP could say, don't let him run. If the party is really serious, MPP could say, Adwa would not run if the party is serious. Because omo actions no egu omo party. In serious democracies, that is what happened. In the UK, their parties would have deselected them in spite of their standing in society or in the party. That is how you build society. That is how you build institutions. Obi Bia, any Tom Dick and Harry, your son, because he should go and run for MP.
Okay, but
and these people not having principle. I didn't have a principle. I didn't have integrity.
But also, Mamma, many honorable Kennedy or say, it's alleged, say, or Kaho, Nidin, Ewo. Sa Krata no Auditor General prepare you. Honorable Kennedy saying good morning.
Yeah, my captain, come to say.
Yami Adom Senior now swear. Good. Pacho, get fund scholarship no me who dimbi Kennedy or saying Pacho ye wa.
Yo, captain, I know was not in share for. Sana mention who said me abeki lesa reported to be mandating from a Auditor General report aba na me share no o share report na obi ade sika ashisha no both tuition and friends and living allowances, but o show me die no hinsham nti na mbusa se na se yesina benefit get fund scholarship nanso echiche no media many can be on what basis? Now, yes, say auditor general, and now say whoever behind you or the membership. And no crime put here. Let's put it aside. Captain, if you say, well, originally, only make a crack, you no need for a while. But does me put you on your record for everybody listening this now? Like I can be a saying, I get fund scholarship to be in Kushina, or landing a University of London, so as course were able to that. I have never in my life, my entire life, gotten government scholarship to pursue any higher education.
Hey,
I'm very young man, but God has been so blessful and merciful to me. So me pese isua de me kwama no ne ekosua de ana omemu ha. I can cater for my own education and that of my family. Na me amigina ha sisi a me no ka say I've been sponsoring amanfoma me busuafo both home and abroad to study. How much more say me pese me kosua de a into me and Kasam school. So no, you're one. But now let's come to my lawyers will deal with it. This morning they are writing to the Auditor General for him to expunge my name from the list. No infanta side. Now me Minia Mubarak. You see, there is a dangerous precedent that if you are not careful because of politics, not say it's going to break the entire political system in this country down, especially on the legislative aspect of it. Metresa Miniano can say a criminal say MPs for be aquaji ya mom like ya sponsor some concoction. I don't know which part of the law that bars in the Ghanaian from assessing. No, come run. You can choose to interpret it in your own way. Mran, sir, get fund at 581. It does not only specify, say, only your friends are brilliant by the needy to go in for. Who read it down now here 2 years. It has specified clearly. Even the minister, the sector minister, on his own discretion, has the powers to grant in consultation with the trust, the debt fund trust board, to give scholarship to people or sponsor people for higher education that will help for the development of this country. Why or dwelling on only the needy, but even the needy. Yeah.
You bet me, I can't. Why? Young kind two nina. I'm running one of my object of the fund 2-1.
Yeah.
The object of the fund is to provide finance to supplement the provision of the education at all levels by government. 2. For the purposes of attaining this object, the monies from the fund are to be expanded as follows. 2A. To provide financial support to the agencies and institutions under the Ministry of Education. Through the ministry. For the development and maintenance of essential academic facilities and infrastructure in public educational institutions, particularly in tertiary institutions. B. To provide supplementary funding to the Scholarship Secretariat for the grant of scholarships of gifted but needy students for studies in second cycle and accredited tertiary institutions in Ghana. To contribute monies, that's C, from the fund towards the operation of student loan schemes for students in accredited tertiary institutions through loan scheme mechanisms and agencies approved by the minister. D, to provide through the National Council of Tertiary Education grants to tertiary institutions. I, to train brilliant students as members of faculties. I, to undertake research and other academic programs of relevance to national development. Research and academic programs for okay. And then the E, to provide monies to support such other educational activities and programs for the promotion of education, as the minister in consultation with the board may determine. Pacho iwe na wokano.
Already both any you know. What does he say?
He said to train brilliant students and members of faculties. That's right. And so that one is to undertake research.
Okay.
Yes.
And the last one.
And the last one is at the E. To provide monies to support such other educational activities.
And or say one a bit to me provide other support for that. He says who?
The fund.
In consultation with who?
With the minister.
Okay. And does it mean get fund is only to provide support for needy but brilliant any faculties pe na omo empenko suade ana so you gan the fund say I'm not just speaking for everybody, but I'm just in general because my premises and my cancer say I'm not careful with some of these things that to get to a point it will become an albatross hanging the neck of the legislator or even the political.
Okay. I know when boy saying is get fund meant for members of parliament?
No, it's not meant for members of parliament. Get fund is meant for Ghanaians.
But Ghanaians, fund and
who are the Ghanaians? Are some people more Ghanaian, Captain Mebao? Are some people more Ghanaian than others? That is what I want you to clarify.
No, but honorable, Emrana
yes, and I'm actually saying even the minister has a discretion.
Minister, the discretion is so specified.
That's what.
So what kind of I'm not.
No, the minister needs discretion. That is why I'm doing. I mentioned here. I'm dwelling on that. What does that minister discretion mean?
No, okay, I am not a lawyer, so my interpretation might be wrong. The D says D is
Captain Mabamukasa.
Mameni Honorable Osenyaku. Honorable Osenyaku, D say to provide through the National Council of Tertiary Education grants to tertiary institutions.
You mentioned I
that one. Then the IDI says to train brilliant students as members of faculties. II to undertake research and other academic programs of relevance to national development. Then you come to the E, which says that to provide monies to support such other educational activities and programs for the promotion of education. As the minister,
what are the such activities? What are the such activities? It's under the discretion of the minister. I'm not speaking for BIA, but I'm speaking for the Ghana Nibia or person unya access to get funds.
Okay, see, MPs
have access.
Okay, see, MPs bet me access get fund.
I don't. Maybe they say MP be a control. Not for the development is to go and learn for the development of this country. I don't see anything wrong with it.
No, but does it? Is it in the law? The act, no. Act not specify.
The act has not specified that MPs or politicians are to go for the money or to get sponsorship. It has not specified that. It's a gray area. It's a very gray area that if it has not specified, then it allows the minister to use his discretion in consultation with the fund to decide other activities. Okay? It is very dangerous. Say, minister discretion, and let us all accept it and go and sponge it or amend it in the law so that it will prevent the minister to even have that discretion to decide to give scholarship to any other. That one will be the best for this country, and I will support it 100%. But once that discretion is there, so minister be in consultation with the fund, it decided to say, oh, maybe Papa we and our politicians, oh, or short course be na ɔde abɛboa ɛwɔ adwuma a ɔyɛ mu ɛwɔ parliament nti ebia yɛmmoa no no nkɔ a me a megyina ha yi I don't see it as a something as I say me demonize politicians and those who are benefiting. Then we should equally say that no politicians should even contribute to the levy. Okay,
Honorable, yeah, say if you are an approval body.
Oh my goodness.
So we parliament says omuma approval for BBA. Who are omuma approval? No, can you benefit from what you are approving?
So omuma approval to say na so no Rasmu Baraka ojina ho. Say parliament ba. Say get fund your formula ba. Say yenko na ebia you approve formula now you're MP. You have an access to get fund development fund to do project to support you the MP in your constituency. So benefiting, is it not benefiting? He approves it. Is it not benefiting? He approves that money that he has approved. That formula that he has approved. He gets his portion of it to go and develop his
Captain.
Okay. Yes, Honorable Mubarak, you can come in now.
Minia Kennedy, Minister. Mide nka obeka say onim ho bi me visa nko di besu ho but he's muddied the whole thing and gone into even made matters even worse. But me starting free the oka say me benefit bi. Get fund sika yede constituencies and your MPs ni yede ma. He should get that correct. He's a member of parliament. He shouldn't mislead the public.
Is it a 3%?
Sika ye triama GES. Ontie ni ye triama GES, Ghana Education Service. But the MP decides say mempeso me pese me de nkonyama school nkola na medicine school dying. Not for my personal benefit. Not for honor as MP the personal benefit. Say sika no wajibida ana obi from their side ajibida edi kotwa ono ankasa ni school fees then they will be in trouble. So that get fund allocation formula approved that goes to the constituencies. It doesn't come to the sitting members of parliament. MPs no, they don't sign the check. The money is paid to the Ghana Education Service. If the MP wants to spend on a project for it, what a GS director in his district or her district say, oh, sukuya is here, sukumi ebubu, it's not for the MPs in benefit. And I'm so surprised that he's making those arguments. And then he goes on and on to try to justify something that cannot be justified. I leave them to their own conscience. Ghanaians are listening and very, very discerning. If he feels said, MPs are entitled to it. And don't forget, per our classification, per our tax law, MPs are high earners, higher earners. So higher, and that is why we are taxed more. Now, if you are higher earner, do you classify yourself as underprivileged? Captain, let's look at the meaning or the definition of needy before he even begins to espouse those arguments. He talks about the fact that 2E, per the formula approved by Parliament, remember country say whether or not they had authority to use it for the kinds of abuses they did not. And that is why I'm challenging any one of them. If they feel they have a problem with the findings of the Auditor General, they should go to court. And then radio soon they should go to court and prove they were entitled to it.
Okay, yeah, you can act now. Page 8, paragraph 25, the interpretation of specific words and what act anymore. Watch the word, what it means. Say the baby, Obinko to Mirikanko Fabi Binko baby.
Yeah, the interpretation section, yes.
Yes. Edu education, no, what kind of explicitly means education in an approved basic school, second cycle school, and accredited tertiary institutions in Ghana. And here, number one, students and also watch them means a person in any institution of education who is a citizen. That's why Mibu says, are the MPs in any institution of education?
They were not. And you see, these courses, what is the relevance of these courses to Ejuma Omoye as MP? What is the bearing on their constituents? Who can build capacity just so to make your CV look beautiful? What's the bearing in terms of legislation? Who can course abuchira and on how to be a better legislator, right? On how to understand lawmaking. What is the core duty of a member of parliament? What is the core duty of a member of parliament? Smart. And you would expect that they'll be undertaking courses in legislative drafting. How many of them sit in the chamber when we are doing events that we know we're near that? Those are the areas that you would expect that they would even be building their capacity in, just so they can pass better law for the citizens of Ghana. And I've said it once and I'm going to say it again. They had no business accessing those funds. I side 100% with the Auditor General, and if they have a problem, any radio should not be your mama. Any hurriedly written press statement and Omode Ebetuja is an abuse of the system, is an injustice against the poor people of our country. And they should bow down their heads in shame. All of them. From the civil servants who made sure they perpetuated this fraud on the nation, to politicians are they had no scruples, no principles, so they will go ahead and access it. They should bow their heads in shame. They should go around the country. Maybe some of them are from, city constituencies. So they don't know what real Ghanaians go through. Smart, maybe also in part of my constituency, for some of the kids to access secondary school on a daily basis, you know what they do? They'll sit on motorbikes or bicycle. Some of them even walk for about 40 minutes from their community, overseas area. Because in my area, there's no boarding school.
Primary students.
Abba at the other side. In the rainy season, that is what real Ghanaians are going through. Real Ghanaians are sitting on the floor. Now, privileged, people who are privileged, on the poor people of the country. That is my response to what he has said.
But I think chef fund managers Nankasan so Honorable Mubarak, one Honorable Osenya Kunina. A better than a fund manager act Daho Act 581 Daho SSA Okain na Otiasie Unimse. This category of persons or individuals qualify or otherwise of the act, no. Obetimi ahwe na wa offer. Amanipa won't qualify.
Captain Obama Mekwama, my responded to the kind.
Okay, then. All right then. Thank you.
I'm making some statement to be assertion here. I say I have to correct him. First, Ubusam said, "Betumi abase Parliament, Adibia ya approve will become beneficiaries. Ya approve near beneficiaries." Now, I'm citing example. Say get found in the formula banner or approval. There is a component for members of Parliament for project development. I never said can MP, but it is the MP that has the right to determine which project he wants to do it. That is how I made that statement. Now let's come to the issue of members of Parliament and necessarily more entitled to get scholarship or they are not entitled to get a scholarship. And I've made my statement. I'm going to make it clear here too again. That if we think, the law as it is, the ye is bad law, we should go to Parliament, amend it, and take the minister hands off from it. So that he will not have that discussion until that caveat is there. Any government will also have that kind of impetus to use that section to grant people are officially be away when see a boy but that's you'll be a member of Parliament, a scholarship na say you'll be your own discretion and own judgment. Me, I'm a TA, I can say, but you can't catch it off. Say, I don't need any support from. Say, me, say, me admission or Harvard, and I can afford to pay my own school fees. I don't need any government support. Because God has been so merciful and blessful to me. I don't need any support. But other members may not have that kind of opportunity. Maybe at the Ekrampana or Mokoyen and American, the Intia Modico paying is just to come and strengthen them to support the work they do. He made Mubarak make a statement, which I think it is very valid point. But say, Ayani Dema Mukura and Yadia, Omodeba, Omodeba, Parliament to whom maybe now say you are a chairman of a certain committee and you need some kind of capacity building so that you can deliver more. I agree with him 100%. Say if that should be the case and the basis, say Minister Nana a fund and they decided so let's support this MP to go for a 3 weeks or 1 month course to come and also strengthen him to deliver Nejuma Oye better. I don't have any problem with it. But it's up to any member on one of this case will be say, oh, he doesn't have that, but he will go for it. That one you will deal with. And then this show he will say it that I've gone for it. He has to defend why he went for it and the benefit that the country got derived from the call. So what you say?
Okay.
Now, the attendant becomes so popular. You said, okay, and Ushaha, among four is it telling me, say, it's just now that he has seen that among four school into get fund now, a man for scholarships, say, be among Concosia, dear, no Mfemeboa for mine. And yet, is it now that he has seen that it's not good, or earlier on himself, and yet, but he went on? Since from 20, we shall report to Abana from just some years back, our practices they dwell on another, they capitalize on Mran, to support people, both the civil servants, the political class, those who want to go and do higher programs outside the country and within the country. If it is now that he thinks it is not good, so be it. We have to, as a country, sit down and discuss it dispassionately, devoid of any partisanship or political stance. Like I said, even the Get Fund Secretariat should not even have that power to give anybody support. If anybody wants any scholarship, you should go to the scholarship secretariat and apply for it and get it. If they take to system or qualify, so be it. I don't want the situation as a session of the political class. We try to say so. Abusy, and then say say then what we are saying is then why don't you equally say that you are a political class, so you don't need to contribute to the fund, so that people who have to contribute will benefit. People will make that kind of argument, but we shouldn't move to that. Tangent.
All right then.
We should stay and decide. Say, okay, we don't have to give any whether or civil servant. We should not give them. All the scholarships should only be given to students. So, and I say, lecturers, more undertaking research. So who yell doctorate degree? It's also a research.
But honorable, one thing we say interpretation now. The interpretation defined keywords in the act.
Yeah.
1 is accredited institution.
Yeah.
2 is basic school. Number 3 is the board. 4 is education. 5 is the fund. 6 is the minister. 7 research. 4th rotation. 8 students. And 9 student loan.
Okay.
So the fund actually really defined what everything is supposed to mean.
Okay.
It's who say Ebeba say Yebekofa either a minister or somebody. I don't know if you can have a member of parliament who is a student and then a minister of state who is a student. I don't know.
Minister, I have not seen it. Say me this report apart from say I think say even education minister have come to clarify say he got his scholarship in 2014 oji unyasa akwanya no 2014 or because I'm not sure say anybody any minister under Kufuado presently I have not gotten to know say what benefit akwakoye friends a course be under the Kufuado government. Many who have gone through, I've seen names. All those that I've seen have come out. Shelma Bekasa. Say yes, indeed, they got it. But at this period, it's a different issue. Say, Unya, now, say, is it Nehunya? Say, Ojicom. Okay, different matter. Whoever granted him has almost to this. I mean, explaining on what basis or this they say or the scholarship in Bema Ipani. So on Femco. Because he granted that person. So he has every right to explain himself. Okay, the NT and the scholarship in mind. Then the person will be able to give details as to why he granted that kind of. But like I'm saying, maybe if he say the tangent that we want to take it, make it more partisanship is not healthy for this country. Okay. It's not good.
All right.
It is not good. We can decide, say, the scholarship should be meant for only students, those doing academic work and research work. So, even if it's utopica or fun, something that will help the country properly. And an area country, spending money to do a lot of thorough research, and they have not been able to find solution, and you need support, and get fund want to support you. It's very fine.
All right. Honorable Kennedy Yakuma, Menda was a member in Menda Wone Mubarak in Ase. Thanks so much for your time this morning. Now, I'm in Kwahomano Femini, a lawyer Samson Ladi Ayenini, or a private legal practitioner and trust. Lawyer, good morning.
Morning, Fat.
Night to say.
I'm Adom non private.
Yo, Yansu Yahoya Mpacho, MPs bet me access to get fund. Akusunyadi.
What a question, smart. Kind of. Did you say? I was say you share a baby. Maybe or mine no, yes, she share no. I will put Tayentia, your decision, Emrano. Na Ayana Emrano, I will a Jumadi Truby. I was say Eddie, and our policy diano. Would Jumadi Truby, I was a dear. And unti any share. Inti you get fund. Nientia, yes, share get fund. Say education. And after this year, a car, I was a buying Nanka buying bono. Ye bear yena ye de a toby at so na ama aban one high no. Send a bear, menu ye teku ba ko menu bia ye de ebe ye de betua eto no ebe boa na aban yetimi ahye eye adesua akan ko abra ahokyere bi enkoba na enkoba se bia aban ni sika o de beye enti na se school dan bi na ebesi a na ye enti yankotimi ensi sebe sa nyama ehuhia ewo adesua ho no ehu nkoba se aban ni sika wo de beye ana se etoda yekwa amano ni se yekopa cho se ye momma ye ebusua ana omun case kan yemfanya ade no ebia na ye nya ase se na ye ya akokọ echi no enti na ye de sa ye foto no ebae enti se wo hwe na sa ubohu se ne ekoba ya ye kan say ye make provision for scholarship bi ewo mu na sa Africa na to na menu mienu ye tia de bia no oto ade na wo je givata get fund ka ho no na ye mfa mmoa sabi wohwɛ ɛtoɔ no nso a ɛyɛ ɛtoɔ a akɔyɛ sɛ yɛnom a sɛbi nyame adom yɛbɛtumi atɔ adeɛ ne agya nsesa no yɛmmoa sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a obi a ɔno ɔwɔ ahokyere bi mu a sɛbi ɔno ɔntimi no na yɛayɛ abɔmmɔde ne nyinaa yɛaboa obiara saa na afei yɛn nyinaa ɔman no mu yɛ ho atɔ yɛ nti sɛ wohwɛ mmara no a the main purpose is not to be dishing out the sponsorship to people who can afford, people who can even more than afford. And yet, no. In Fina, me say the main premise of the law, no, nipa sebi ohianti anka omuko omanimu wo omuntimi nko omanimu adisuemu nanso omo aben anka yeboa omo yepia omo kakra no omuko omanimu a anka omo muaye no anase ekire no anka omo beye emoa kese ama oman no eyina nti na yede che ho say needy but brilliant but needy wa ben nanso sabi sikenti ebia ontimi nko nanim ena ya twa ekwan ketewa bi ato ho sɛ sɛ nyama bi so wɔ hɔ a yɛbɛtumi ayɛ na ɛde aboa ɛyɛ education a yɛbɛtumi eyi saa sika no bi saa sponsorship no ɛde ayɛ ɛno ne sɛ sɛbi woyɛ teacher ni wokyerɛ adeɛ sɛbi ebi a yɛmfa nsa woyɛ nurse ni anaasɛ bibi saa woyɛ w'adwuma de aboa ɔman no nanso nea woyɛ no ɛnka wonya nimdeɛ kakraa bi ka ho a w'animdeɛ no kɔ anim kakraa a anka yɛbɛtumi aboa wo na wowayɛ dɛn wotumi abɛyɛ adwuma no ama akɔ n'anim de aboa ɔman mu no nyinaa sɛbi sɛ yɛ adekyerɛ na anka wokyerɛ a wobɛtumi aboa no akyerɛ nipa adeɛ bebree na afei ayɛ dɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛakɔ yɛnim enti sɛ woyi bi na wode ma tikyɛni bi sɛ ɔnkɔgye adesua soronko bi na ɔmfa mmɛboa baabi a wɔkyerɛ adeɛ anaasɛ ɔmfa mmoa ɔman no a bɔne biara nim sɛbi sɛ obi wɔ hɔ a yɛde yɛfrɛ sɛ your area of expertise woyɛ adwuma bi wodi dwuma bi saa adwuma no ɛno ho na wakɔgye adesua nanso nka yɛboa wo ma wonya bi kakraa adesua no kakraa ka ho na ɛkɔ anim a ɛbɛboa ɛno no asɛm biara ɛnni ho nti na meka sɛ wohwɛ a mmara no botaeɛ no a anka ɛyɛ akɔkyerɛ sɛ sika a ɛda get fund no sɛ yɛsi for sponsorship no sɛ ɛyɛ 100,000 a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛyi mu bɛyɛ 80,000 ne yɛde ma wɔn mu a sɛbi wɔn mu nni bi nanso yɛhia sɛ yɛboa wɔn na wɔn kɔnya adesua kɔ anim na wɔn bɛboa ɔman no na afei sɛbi 20,000 na nka aka akyi no ɛno na mmara no ama ɛkwan kakraa bi tokuro ketewa bi ada hɔ sɛ ɛbɛtumi aba sɛ obi so wɔ hɔ a sɛbi ɔnyɛ obi a sɛbi ehia no nanso adwuma a wɔredi no ɛyɛ adwuma bi a wɔdi akɔ anim kakra anaasɛ wɔdi akyɛ kakra nanso nka yɛ ma na adesua wei kakra bi ka ho a ɛwɔ saa area na osua adeɛ no ɛnyɛ sɛ woyɛ doctor anaasɛ woyɛ surgeon a ne akɔma wo education in a year friend is saying peacekeeping or security ɛno deɛ sɛ nka police ni ne yɛde ma no anaasɛ security officer ɛna nka yɛde ma no nti sɛ wobisa saa nea mɛka no sɛ mmara no botaeɛ no ɛno no sika no emu dodoɔ na ɛwɔ sɛ yɛde ma nipa a ehia wɔn na anka yɛ amoa wɔn a wɔn ntumi nkɔ wɔn anim na afei kakraa bi a ɛbɛka no wɔn a adwuma a wɔreyɛ no ɛyɛ adeɛ a wɔreyɛ dada your field of expertise and the area of your profession already ɛnyɛ sɛ yɛsɔre nnɛ ne aka sɛ smart woyɛ journalism yɛ sponsor ne yɛtia wo ne wakɔyɛ yɛfrɛ ne sɛn wakoye agriculture na waba so and personal. There is no reason to it. It's not reasonable. It is not a fair process. It is not a prudent process. It is not what the Constitution injuncts us to exercise discretion when we have to exercise discretion. Inti ubisa MPsa. The Americans say, "Matisa MPB, and MPB say, oh, ena maba, and yedimi akoshe committee no mono, because dia disia na me dia beye ejuma wo committee no mo. Look, am I yen so anya manoso. Committee bia e wo parliament no. Emreche bejafo no. Ye wo omu ina omu ko as people with different expertise and different professional backgrounds. Into say a person who education, you were education in our parliament. I ye or moo sancro for no news, uno, ufata se oko several committee wemo. And yet, I say, and a woo, Fabi, we are a education is an answer, BB. Now I say, that committee no, a health, and I say, your friends a Greek near the work of show. Now I feel na yen sound the ball mukabium. Akichia yadima winechi, allowance yadima winechi, yen sound the ball mukabium. Nien quatri, yen found co school, and Nakosiad, never be. And no, so Mokamisa, minimum enya dream. Sabi, I said no shots in the air corner, a bino I could do baby, who defend ya and so, yaman politics, ma, the beer near their politics. Near Kika, near Koya bed. Okay, young can send your bear and class more a dream a womb.
Lawyer, my members, when I hear lawyer and boy, so get fund scholarship, you bet me their school abroad. Get fund scholarship, no. As I say, ma obi get fund seekers on Fanco school abroad.
And see, near Cassia in Pono. Osha, Auditor General, in Shishaya or Ye, or say, near all can want them a year, our year man, a year local sponsorship. It was a sponsorship, no, Yadima for purposes of local, Mitremu, Equator, means me Nimson and Messia Chiremubium.
Yes, Yafan says schools say what Ghana accredited tertiary institutions say what Ghana. That's right.
Sir. And I don't know who say Omobu Emrano so ye Emrani amfa anya adwuma. Mimi sanya me hunu no. Anka boni bia nim say ye de beboa na odbetimi akọ school adisua bia sebe. There were areas of study bia ebi ye need local facilities are omuye, and I say the advanced level at which you are supposed to study those things, you know, are not available here. And no, and that's the bonibia, but near any I was here can want them. Any senior to see Uncle Phoebe, if I say, or more addition a concert, Sana was here a bano. She can't move to do na. And I may make about 80% should go for the specific provision of the law. And Mrabiani, provision be your friend, a specific, but a general. Say, and I was a woody idea way. Now, so Yama Aquina, I get 12 be at home. Say, a coba say, you hear the view of Haka Crabia, Ubet Riswafa, wake a tradia. Share the checking expenses now. The demand or more or mukoye a parliament name minister for no. Or they share checking expenses. Over shall know a 2 weeks and now 3 weeks course. 2 weeks and now 3 weeks course no. A car ye bebo was any panono. Sabi obia only be nanka boka kosia na ye bebo no ha kosia no dia bebo o man no. Ushe ono ne de na. After sika idea masa nipa na okoye 2 weeks 3 weeks no ubetumi de tia nipa ba emiensa ayi de aboa omo ayi friends omo adisua kanko ɛna wohwɛ adeɛ no so a obi wɔ hɔ a ɔno adesua no baabi a ɔkɔgyee no adesua koro a ɔkɔgyeeɛ no ɛnyɛ adeɛ a ɔno ɔde yɛ adwuma nti ɛho mfa so ma ɔman no ɛno ne sɛ
ba lɔya adeɛ baako so a na mepɛ sɛ ɔboa me na yɛhwɛ so no sɛ Parliament as an institution, meaning says a Kobasa says obi kosua adeɛ na ebetumi aboa ma parliament adwuma na koswa me gidi ye say parliament or budget a omode ye cause any MPs bi di nkomo enura na ade no mo chen say parliament ankasa say ese bibi wo ho ese say obi kosua na ode ba enye scholarship secretariat no mo ko
right
parliament ankasa or budget for those things
right
it is obi kaso ye MP na wakwaje scholarship so the kosua dia beboa parliament nipa no nyane kwan so no
look adia no enye fe yenka no krubebia no kreda no yemfa nto ho yenya nyeye wo man hwe smart menu mienu yenim we dada enye sa ya de foforo na abeto yenim just auditor general na ye nhwemu na aba abonten na nkrofo ka ho ho asem enye ade a yenim
sure
opa wa wo si wonnim no pa wasoto form nefa we ni hwe se emre bia eyi amanyokuo bia ebeba obeba aban mu no eya ahwe omumu nipa no sen e na omu hya ase so omu ko school akosua ade ne ko hwehwe se omu free omudi omu sika na etua sa adesua na o de eya ahwe ye wo mre bi kra president bi ka se nkrofo na mu ko school no omu wo aban mu ko school no ma doso dodo nti kra wo twa so kra na se bibisa o de ayi embargo bi to so nti enya ade ya de foforo akwa se yenya ba aban mu a yehu se bibia yetimi ye cheap things there are cheap sources of doing things, you know, and we do them without a conscience. You know, there's nothing in our conscience that pricks us, that the things we are doing are unconscionable. And na MP na minister ni ma ono aye tua na ne ho to no yie no ni ma ene dey get fund and access sponsorship e dey boa omu abra eno no u defend ya enye yi enso eno no omo ye look enya ade ye na asem ntimi no I thought that I never we ban a chance and gig and say I say I had the full be naba sa na ekoso I will say nipa na omo yes ade no omo anka so omo da no mo dwen say ade no enye ye to abama say be sumo man no na wo ko gina say ye to abama no wan ka say wo e na wo ye the best thing out wo betimi aye den aye adwuma na ye mfa ma no wo be pa ya to say adwuma no wo na wo betimi aye pa nti ye mfa ma afia de adwuma no ma wo wie ya wo say this a mutia meka na mekosua ade bi eba ansa na metimi asomo ento asomo na eto da so a sebe yenwi nko ekire kakra nyenya nyeye no omu bebre omu ina ayade omu betimi etua omu ankasa betimi di omu nsa hye obotomu etua these things no eto da krampo na ayade mpo anka ye eye ade amra ekire say wo ho kwan a I say one ankasa utimi tena se ka kire wo say yes ade we mi wo ho kwan so nanso me nyini say efata ana say kebeya mimmomu de e ma me yusu na me ma adasa omo wa ho kiremu no na omo be yusu yes I no na kire say we are humans I no na kire say ye nkrofo a sebe ye dwen omo a mo ho kire wo no omo ho esan say the question of governance is really about making the lives of the people better. It's not about, serving yourself. It's not about serving yourself. It's not about getting everything that you can get. Yes, maybe or two coin. And I paid the MO said then you chicha man or say I dear no abros or by the somebody. Okutu kwan ko ba de sesa esan ba say ade no na abroso na nsesa no so nyem dia mamo but ye mu bebre ye nya sa you be and society the benefit. Obesha class idea no a born obey to obey increase. Would you living allowances now? I did that some for now, 2-3 week courses. No, the living allowances now, woman, you know. Never to in Crofona, Sabi, Omu, Ananko Munya scholarship now, I did Fatu to Omudiano. So there's something very immoral about it. But I'm not saying that if you are getting a sponsorship to go and further and improve yourself, your skills and your knowledge in your area of profession or area of expertise for the purposes of returning to this country, or even if you have done it locally, to use it to benefit the generality, there's anything wrong with that. When you are not an indigent or you are not a person, we can say you are poor, but you are brilliant.
All right.
There's nothing wrong with that. But the purpose of the law is not to serve these people over and above those who are needy and are brilliant. This is just a small opportunity given under the law. That one should not be turned into the major purpose of the law, so that they crowd it and take take the large chunk of the money for that purpose. Now, just one for no. The question we should be asking them is this: you check the car to Hama, check the car way, and also the DH way. Then you go and give more than you have been budgeted for. And if I think all of those people should be called to book. They should be the appropriate sanctions, as the Auditor General is saying, should apply. There should be surcharges. There should be disallowances. They must be made to refund some of those money. Yama or budget say for who smart food to coin. And yes, it's heavy. Una udi enimonyam eba multimedia ejumadiye no. Enti sabi uko eyebi. Na eye na wo kon ye pese wo kwa utimi ye bibi na edi enimonyam breye. Enti yama or budget. Yama or 20,000 say fa ko na fa ko boa. Na okwa we nyama bi wɔ hɔ a wode bɛyɛ na ɛde anim nyama abrɛ yɛ wokɔɔyɛ a wo se makɔ spend 80,000 wohyɛ ebi koraa overspending by 300%. What is that?
Lawyer Mamemfa won't see her. You better switch way. Abusua, Lawyer Samson Ladi ayeni no 7 no e bon komono. But then one more tigo. Obia oye course full time. On only fees, per semester, $17,002. No, be sure all call the same course now be 2 weeks, and so to $17,800. How? Babushia, MPC need to be access it. MPC ain't me access it. Get found out tone. Yan can see Sudia, you just send him Grassebrana Yabo Krumano. Nedino Echna, Yababubo. Mebubo from name 1 to the last name. Lady na no ye Juma wo Metro TV no. Or say or no. By 6 years Ukraine on call landing that. It's a get fund director, fund manager, call his Canberra. Kennedy or Senya Quenim, Scabian Shaw. And also, Echna be ya no. Till you're ready. China be ya no. Address of also conference kuna ade ko no. Get fans can fan conference. China also be conference kuna ko e. Mate. Prof.